Today's video we are going to see a small quick small function. Large and small, these are basically two different functions, but this could be very powerful if you want to process data on a very specific criteria and avoid identifying that number manually every time. So it is very simple. So let's say in a given range of data you want to identify which one is the largest number and or which one is the smallest number. So here comes into picture two functions of Excel, large and small. So the formula is very simple. Let's say for the largest value the formula will be equal to, we'll put large, array will be the range, and k will be, let's say, the 1. When we put 1 it will return the largest number in the given data set. If I put, let's say, 2, it is still returning 90. Why? Because the second largest number is also 90. But let's say if I say 3, then it will return 80. Then if I return, let's say 4, then it will return 70. Similarly, if you want to identify the smallest number equal to small, then the array, and let's press 1. So the result is 70. So I know this is very small Excel function, but it could be very useful in the case which I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with more and more people. Thank you.